Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We're going to do a quick video on how to install the pedestal on the brand new Sony Z9F television. So first thing you're going to want to do once you have the top of the box off is you're going to come around the back here and there's these 3 cardboard tabs and you just undo those and that's going to allow you to kind of pull this down. And then from here you are going to need a second person. So I've got Ryan here to help me out. He's going to help lift up the side of the TV and from there we're going to slide this styrofoam piece out.
1, 2, 3.
All right, and then he's going to set that back down just like that. And then from here, we can kind of, we're really just going to rip through the paper here to show you. You'll notice these 2 screws sticking out here. Now those are going to go into these little notches in the back of the pedestal foot. So you see it, there's a notch up here at the top and one in the middle. So to do that, I'm gonna have Ryan come over here again and lift up that side of the TV, and those should just fit nicely into place. You go up a little bit higher. Okay, and then set it down. And there you go. So that's on, and now we're gonna move on to putting the screws into the 2 holes that are still left here. So the process is going to be the same on the other side. You're going to take your pedestal foot, and it's important to remember you've got this kind of long metallic protrusion here. That's going to go past the front of the TV. So it's going to kind of curve out away or angle out away from the TV like that when you're putting it on. So this one's going on as you're looking at the back of the TV, the right-hand side. But same process as we did on the other side. And then we're going to have Ryan come in and help lift that out. I'm going to tear the plastic away here so we have access to the mounting spots. All right. Okay. And then we're going to lift one more time and put the foot on there. All right. And set that back down. So now it's pretty stable. We're just going to put the remaining 2 screws in. Okay, so we've got both feet on. We took the plastic off of the outside of the TV, and now with the help of your very best friend and my very best friend Ryan, he's going to come in and help us. We're going to lift this up, set it on the table right back here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then from here, you've got these 2 plastic pieces that came in the box. And the way these attach, these are actually part of the cable management system. They're going to cover up your cords that you can run through the pedestal legs. The way these attach is you take the short side, that's going to go against the TV. Long side is going to go against the bottom of the pedestal here. And those are just going to slide into place. There's a little channel that they fit into. And with some effort there, they snap into place. And there you have your cable management system. Same process on the other side. So that's how you assemble the pedestal for the brand new Sony Z9F LED television. Thanks as always for watching. Make sure you guys check out our other videos on YouTube and at Abt.com.